Hello friends, good morning. So today I gonna recipe of sambar. So take a cooker, add some oil, let the oil heat up. Then add some cumin seeds, mustard seeds and curry leaves. Add all chopped veggies one by one like bottle gourds, brinjal, onion and green chili in it. After that, add some spices like turmeric powder, coriander powder, chili powder, and some sambar masala. Mixed it well. Add some salt. After that, let's cook the veggies. Keep a deep fry. After the veggies are fried, wash 1 glass of dal and put it in a cooker. Now till 2 whistles let it cook. So now sambar is ready. After adding some sambar masala, then after that to make idli. So firstly mixed rice, a glass of urad dal and wash it well. Grind pulse rice mixtures, then rest of 3 to 4 hours. After 4 to 5 hours, batter will be puff of well. After that, add some salt to the batter as per taste and mix it well. After that, start making idli from the batter. Then soft idli is ready. I will share you idli full recipe in my upcoming videos. Hope you like these videos. Subscribe.